Maybe I will be a million check and say, I expose you from the bros. Or subscribe, I subscribe me to Mpana on Saka. Family are one of the Ghana's finest, I would say, high life. Will be your high life. Me tia family partner, me tia the legend required there, Nesebe. In Robonity, what Danny Bibi Oho. Nane ex-manager and producer, Ogidi Brown. I seen the at loggerheads, we cannot wake up. No, Ogidi Abeka and Sembi. That's all quote now, ba. Only me and Patronami and sound engineer, so I'm well versed in the music industry. I'll explain things to you, young Comra.
Okay, so Emra, me a video be about family. Now, I think it's nipa be brand say. Oko comment section, oko we are nipa be obi a chere na adwene differently na. Bebe se me nkyere adeko video na me se man kasan wi na video nim na nipa bi ansa dante ase. The thing is, it's not about say let it go, forgive him, forget and about let it go and forgive him. No, ma forget that. Asemwe me transfer that, which is like 2020 na move on no man me transfer day up to traditional house and trauma you call on penifone G asem no kind Emma sebi hono so you call yanko bodua o ye kwatena ase Emma omukura ne be mu ma sika hakra otimitu ya bi na anka akoda when you ask to my satisfaction next can be but anka asem no akoda ama obiya nehwe nua mu nyina obiya se me move on I'm going on, I'm doing my thing, what I say. But early last year me wo hwa tie baby ye me ya no de aye me ya na asem ni twemo me no waja adwuma ye obiya te baby enehwe. Early last year me wo hwa which is 2024 ye ana ye 2024 ni. Early last year me wo hwa na YouTube menya message copyright owner claim nothing I get and send me baby na question na ya taking it down. Oh hwa no nya message copyright owner claim nobody dey send me baby by family to buy hwase na copyright owner no is family na ya chro wase na ya cancel no kwam ya taking it down. Na digital stores na enyum ni nyina wo baby including cause me no the thing is me ye ade bia me ana me ye baby I'm a third person bia me amisua no ba ye how are you uploading mu to digital stores, how are YouTube ne ade monetization, everything me I do everything by myself. What I say in person watch now no be ya the night no so me no ye bibia me be mut natural. So this is how it is. Say what I say. Into no anka we ne de anka atwamuko but adint na enyom na me promote ya no enyom strong hits na ba ya na enyom nam so ma obeye we no what taking in na down sanum na nya wodia enya wodia what taking in na down zan ka make say like asa affect me YouTube channel. As affecting my YouTube channel, your digital distributors be or more accepting me beam, almost someone may beam. Because of that, or more who say, maybe we are with Benum, into no claim near say, offense say, copyright owner, then now say, would you into a twice a mile warning, a twice so back, a twice so into a twice so four, now is a woe, your crown for. Oh, you amount for a content in a tool or platform or so. What has some name channel? I know taking in and down. Into me reaching up to him, I was Snapchat, me chatting fast. So, bro, then I'll you know. What I saw what you say. Ya casa or di my temper to be chasso. What I say, mamba out. But the thing is, I am a person met or booming baby cry. yeah, nyoma we nyina, we nyoma we nyina. Na wa kwatena baabi a no aseda ye, oh waboa me. Why you say na nipa bia hu say you are grateful like I say why ya dey. No na ya bisa akata so mumu aso na mempe bia hu kura na ye me time no. Cause time I ye adwuma kwa no, membo a mebo and ye ma wo nyina kura na for that time kura na person obebo meeting oba bi kura me department camp. But what asem na me che na se. Sebi and they say ya be near the ya wouldn't de like my is gone. And they say my forget it, but was say Ugusua was say menu maybe what I na make a show. Nanka digital stores sanyono and yes my own and the fan say ya jumanegu I say ekadeka no na wo de aken na shows ni na wa fa wo body de aken na say de aka yes anyom for no pay e woman nanka digital store no wo be kona $50 bi $40 bi $100 bi na bedo na de echechere wo re kakra anya bi ano wa anya bi kakra no ka wa boka but the bo so me bi a wo na say yaba enya hwe o no o manage boy na sa afa sa asem ni nyina sa aka ho na pese me wo ho ameninje o pese me wo ha men ka asem pamfa ho no nipa bi nte ase but with time no I think say nyankopon na za na me make na o de ekoso a na ka se nkoduru emasumu nto da koso a na ka se nkoduru sa hu han sa make sure say in darkness part the own fed because I think say you are going at the sadness thing is Ghana no the good no the good people no they suffer and the bad people they survive what I say like me who said me saying obi betimi aye abokro no obi betimi atwe se kan si obi so akuno obi betimi aye obi ade but all fam no nyeska hono people think so nyame na ehira no obi twen say na mebo family dua bi e be say na still na ankosi aga oguso awo konanim oguso akonim anko boni dua wo asem ne yakokan manko we shene say na membre na say that's what I say. I don't have to talk too much. One man for be asking in so. But really, I will never let it go. And no day me ya. San enyum na wo sa take ni nyina down. E ma affect me YouTube channel ni nyina no. E me ya. What I say? And all call okwa san nyum no kura wo hu.
Me pa cho nsem na ogidi can controversial to me. In the first place, you'll be a friend copyright. Copyright in your mummy and sa. Sametron your ma, you what we call lyrics, a words na woman. There is what we call a producer, or be on my beat. And then we have what we call executive producer, and you're doing this cashemuno. This I say, among these three, one and you near. You're trying you know. You're the beat man, you know, man, you know, and I'm here with the music cashemuno man, you know. Way. It depends. Contractual terms. Betimi amba say yeah nyum ni wi me say okay. Member 30 ma fa 40. Member assistant ma fa 70. So it's not entirely true. Say Ogidi Brown, minimum terms are in the kwemum. But familiar na true nyum no. And on one course studio there. Then the copyright belongs to familiar, not you Ogidi. I'm telling you. Anya Ogidi. Over terms of music terms are it means a family unless Ogidi Brown a try no man. Next as or a performer. What okay? Eti family I need better details from you. So it's not better. But when you no lack of contracts. Mami can be show. So what funny pa na nipa no talent. That talent is a raw product. Raw brand. Over time, me di niyama bi keka ho, na me yi niyama bi fifi ho, na me refine na it becomes a major brand. Say Cristiano Ronaldo. And you start here no Cristiano Ronaldo. Enti, sa ukwa bochi a, Everybody who is working has what we call a major contract term because Ejumani, son of Brandon Sunyi. It's a new baby. Friends can come together. Oh, I want to assist you to help your this thing grow. I just say, but over time, said Adenia Cassia, that is where the real situation comes. Minim terms are Ogidi Brown, any family coy. But it looks like not any concrete contractual agreement. Because I know there's no way Famia would have even gone out of his way. But what may be? Ogidi Brown, maybe the Americans move forward. Yeah. The same way to identify Famia, how to make it Famia some way. It means that you have an eye for gold. So dies our time now. The bitterness and the waste of time. Now there are so many talents around. Pick anybody and make somebody. One person in the industry that I'm so proud of is Lane's Entertainment. One was Obi Obefi Lane's Viano above him. And Yedro, he has an axe. And ultimately, push anybody to become the top. Unless Ogidi Brown, it was one off in a year. Saying Sadia, you can make anybody into somebody. And the time now was spending on Pacho. And our family, so also him say there are things that you can make it better to make this thing lie lower. Yeah, because a sell what your image and your brand. In the long run, people might think say you are not good. I love your music so much. I expose you HFM Ben Bruce. Subscribe, share it to man answer can be manual.